Welcome to class today, Macy, on this terrific Tuesday, August 18th. Hope you're doing well today. Let's jump into today's announcements. First of all, you have nothing to turn in, and you have no incompletes. Now, today, Macy, we're going to work on homework that covers what was taught yesterday, and then we're going to take notes. Okay, so pretty simple day. First of all, work on this assignment here. Notice for the A's, do not use your degree, minutes, and seconds button. But for the B's, you may use your button and these buttons here. Okay? And here's a help video here. Any questions on that, let me know. And then lastly, watch this video here. Now, we watched this video last year, Macy, but I want to go over it again and make sure you remember where radian measurement came from. Okay? Now, let's go over yesterday's quiz. You made a 90, let's see, 1, 4, and 96. Where's your quiz? No, that's not. Yeah, 94, that's right. Each mistake, okay, first mistake was 1 point off. Every mistake thereafter was 5 points off. And so, good job on your quiz, though. Really good job. But on number 8 here, Macy, look, yes, it's true. You have a perfect square here and a perfect square here. Okay, that's totally true. But remember, you cannot factor perfect squares unless the first term is negative and the second term is, the first term is positive and the second term is negative. If that doesn't happen, you cannot factor perfect squares. Perfect squares have to have a positive and a negative sign. Now, if I gave you a problem like this and asked you to factor it, you could just swap the terms around and put x squared first and 16 second. But when they're both positive and they're both perfect squares, cannot be factored. Now, perfect cubes, it doesn't matter. But with perfect squares, the first term must be positive and the second term must be negative. Then on number 9, great job, you factored it perfectly. But look, you can take this further. Perfect cube, perfect cube. So you should have brought down your x minus 2 and then put a little parentheses and then a big parentheses. Cube root of x cubed is x. Cube root of 125 is 5. Bring down your positive sign right here. And then multiply this times itself. X times x is x squared. Multiply this times itself. 5 times 5 is 25. And then multiply these two together. And x times 5 is 5x. And then this term's always positive, this term's always positive, and whatever you have here, use the opposite here. So you gotta always be careful. Sometimes you can factor, Macy, a polynomial 2, 3, or 4 times, okay? But other than that, great job on your quiz. Very proud of you. Good job. Now, that's all for today. Please get to work on your homework and notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.